Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's Let's Talk is going to be on Jane Carter. Now, I don't think this is going to be a long video because I was planning it and there's not much to say. Other than the price point in South Africa is too high. Now, I have tried Jane Carter before they hit the shelves in South Africa. You can check my YouTube channel. I think I have 1 or 2 videos on using Jane Carter products. So when they hit the shelves in South Africa, I was happy. Yay, Jane Carter in South Africa. But the price point is too high. Now, I'm going to share my experience in using the products. I was so excited. I was like, I have to try Jane Carter. This was maybe 2 or 3 years ago, maybe even more. I can't remember. But I bought the products. I do have videos on my channel, as I said. What I love about the products is the smell. I think I only tried one range and I'll put pictures on the screen. I love the smell of it. I love the texture. I love the application. Result-wise, it wasn't very memorable. I think the results were just okay. It didn't blow me away. So I never repurchased the products. So from that standpoint, I always thought Jane Carter was just okay. Now, in the South African market, I feel like it's way too overpriced, especially for the amount of product that you get. So there's not a lot of product inside and the price point is really, really high. I do get questions of, have you tried it? And I'm like, yes, I have. They're like, you've never done a video. I'm like, check my videos out. I have done a video on Jane Carter. But I think people want to try it, but the price point is too high. I love the texture. I love the product. There is a bit of quality to the brand, but again, it's just the price point. I know some of the lines are protein free. It is a very, very good brand, but I just wish it was a little bit more accessible to the South African market so that we can actually go out and buy it and experience the brand for what it is. And I think, guys, I am going to leave it there because Jane Carter came and it just sits on the shelves in Clicks. You see it in Clicks, you're like, oh my God, this Jane Carter. Wow, the price point. So I won't say go out and buy it because the results are phenomenal, because I haven't received phenomenal results. Do I know that it's a good brand? Yes, it's given me average results, but maybe there's another line from Jane Carter that my hair will really like, but it's not available in South Africa. And again, the price point is just too high. So we'll wrap it up there, guys. Just a very quick Let's Talk on Jane Carter. As always, I will see you again. Check out all my Let's Talk series, guys. I have a few Let's Talk. Check them out. I have absolute fun doing them. And as always, you will see me again. Bye.